Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the parabola part 6. We'll be looking at the focus and the directrix. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here. Otherwise, you can subscribe at the end. Focus and directrix. This video will show us how to find the focus and directrix for parabolas of the form y equals ax squared, where a does not equal 0. Let us begin with the simplest example of all, y equals x squared. Finding the focus. I've outlined 4 steps that we will follow, and these will help us find the focus and the directrix. Step 1. Find the axis of symmetry. In this case, the axis of symmetry is x equals 0. That's very straightforward. Step 2. Find the vertex. In this case, the vertex is 0, 0. Steps 3 and 4 are very crucial, so we have to be very careful when we use them. Step 3. Always ensure that the coefficient of the x squared is 1. In our example here, that is the case. If not, then rearrange the equations so that this is the case. In this example, this is the case. Step 4. Use the following equation to find the focus. This equation here is the equation we use. 4f equals the coefficient of y. In this example, the coefficient of y is 1. So 4f equals 1, f equals 1/4. You might ask, what is f? F is the distance of the focus from the vertex. Finally, since the focus is always on the axis of symmetry, the focus is at the point 0, 1/4. So the 1/4 represents the distance from the vertex, this blue dot, to the focus, the red dot. And that's how you find the focus. So, the distance from the focus to the vertex is 1/4. The distance from the vertex to where the axis of symmetry intersects the directrix is also 1/4. These two distances are always the same. This is one of the very special rules which is always the case for every parabola. Moreover, it is actually one of the rules that defines a parabola. So, when you calculate the distance from the vertex to the focus, you can easily calculate the equation of the directrix. In this case, it is y equals minus 1/4. So here is the equation of the directrix, and the directrix is this red line. So the distance from the red dot to the blue dot is 1/4. The distance from the blue dot to that point here, where the directrix intersects the y-axis, is also 1/4. Another example. Consider the parabola y equals 2x squared. We saw in an earlier video that this parabola is thin and steep when we compare it to y equals x squared. Notice that the coefficient of the x squared is 2. The next slide will show how to find the focus and the directrix. The graph of y equals 2x squared is drawn to the right. Step 1. Find the axis of symmetry. This is x equals 0. Very straightforward. Find the vertex. In this case, the vertex is 0, 0. Also very straightforward. Step 3. From earlier in this video, we will now rearrange the equation so that the coefficient of the x squared is 1. So to this line, from y equals 2x squared, divide both sides by 2. Which leads us to this line, half y equals x squared, which is the same as 0.5y equals x squared. So it follows that 4f equals 0.5, because remember, 4f is the coefficient of y. Divide both sides by 4, so f equals 0.5 divided by 4, so f equals 1 over 8. So the focus is 0, 1 over 8, and the equation of the directrix is y equals minus 1 over 8. So if you carefully follow these steps, you will always be able to find the focus and the directrix. Here's a quick quiz to help you, and please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle: what is the meaning of the following? An inside job. Here's the clue for you. I'm sure you can see that answer. Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and check through the video at any time. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide, and you will receive a notification when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.